Alright guys, I think I'm pretty much done with this thing now. It's not, let's just say it's not finished, but I am finished with it. I haven't mounted the control box. That's going to sit right there as it is, for now anyways. I did fix the inside up under here. It was rubbing. I may chop this off and take about 4 inches out of here. But I have to figure that one out still. Let me show you. Okay, let me... see if I can't get this thing to turn. I probably got to pull it up a little bit. Where aren't you? I've just got this in here to stop it from spinning. See, it only goes down to there because I have it mounted so it stops up here somewhere. I might leave that as it is. I might take and cut out that piece like I said. But I actually kind of like it like this. It gives me space to move stuff around in here. And then if I need to, I got like big pieces of steel that I can put in there. And that also allows me non-workable space here if I wanted to put an anvil and a die in there or something. Switch up here. I've got this just tack welded. I put 3 tiny welds on that I could just cut if I needed to. And I've already crushed a bunch of cans with this guy. I got these ones down here. And I put these on. I'll show you what that does. I got this bar. I can use any bar, but this is just the piece that I actually cut these off of. And if I put this in, you can see it'll sit underneath there. And then it sits underneath there. It just happened to be the exact length that I needed. And that'll allow me to amplify the 700 pounds. There we go. You see it's 700 pounds. But if I put this up under here and I half the length, that'll give me 1,400 pounds. And then if I have it again, I got 2,800 pounds. And that allows me to crush things really thin. Or if I had a piece of sheet metal that I wanted to form on a die, I could do that. We'll compare that to this. This is the one I crushed over here, and this is just one of the standard cans that I crushed in my can crusher here. You can see there's a significant difference there. Apparently my neighbor's tearing his house apart. But I've actually already used it a half dozen times. It works really well. I am going to have to replace this whole thing up here. I was doing some tests and this whole thing was flexing quite a bit. So that'll have to be replaced. But for now it's just going to stay as it is. It's not affecting the function at all. But if I get into some more heavy-duty crushing or die work, it'll have to be beefed up. Oh, I welded on feet. It's got just a piece of a half-inch bar that goes straight across in the front and the back. And just by lucky coincidence, it fits into this space quite nicely. And I've pulled it out because I was crushing cans right here. But I can actually shove it back, and it becomes basically level with my bench. And I still have this whole space in here to work. I can sit back there for now. What I might do eventually is take something like this. You know, let's go up a little bit, take the pressure off that. I might take something like this and actually have a piece coming down and then into that hole, and then mount it on some sort of bushing up here, so that as this ram goes up and down, it'll always be straight. Because I don't like how that turns. I'm going to have to fiddle with that every once in a while to get it into the proper position. But hopefully this inspired you to do something similar, or use a tiny little bit of it and build your own press around that tiny thing. Well, that'll be it for this week. You guys have yourselves a good day.